Coming up, we're going to talk about how you can actually monetize your push notifications on the web and on mobile. Stay tuned. What is up, App Nation? It is Steve P. Young, founder of webmasters.com. And this is a video that I'm excited to do because I had no idea we could actually do this. But as you're sending push notifications, so if you got a motivation app where you're sending constant notifications every single day, almost like 3-4 hours apart, well, there's a way that you can actually monetize those push notifications. So here to break it all down on how it all works is Diana from Notix. Diana, welcome to the show.
Hi, Steve. Thank you so much for having me. I'm really glad to be here. How are you?
I'm great. I'm super excited to have you on. So Diana, I want to really talk about this. Like, let's go into the platform. So maybe you can share some of the possibilities that are there. Like, how much money can we actually make from these push notifications?
Okay, so let me shortly start of what we actually do. So basically, Notix is a push notification service for sending your own notifications. And normally clients would pay money for it for such service, which is not an exception in our case. But in our case, we also offer a monetization option through our trusted partners, advertisers. So you can not only not pay for our service, but also earn money.
Wow.
Double win.
So I'm going to link up a video that we did with Anna, a live stream where we really broke it down, and another video that we did for Notix as well. But let's talk about this. So what are the possibilities? So back to my earlier question, like how much money can we possibly make?
Let me share my super mini tiny presentation with you. So basically in Notix dashboard, here's how a monetization request looks like. You have this nice monetization tab on the left corner where you can basically choose the ad frequency and the content that our advertisers are going to show in notifications and send the request to us. After that, when we approve the request and set everything that you wanted, here will be the statistics, the money that you see in the dashboard. Basically, there are like no limits. Everything depends on your traffic, its amount, quality, and etc. And you can actually build really, really nice profits with Notix and live happily ever after.
And that is
So
impressive.
there's basically, about the platform, the statistics. I think that's all we can show right now. So I'll stop sharing and maybe tell you some more insights about what we do and how we do it.
So are we paid per click or are we paid on the eCPM?
We work on a CPM-based model.
I see. And then you have the slides, but how do we actually control the actual ads? Can we pick the advertisers or is it more on a category level?
It's more in a category level because we work through our partners Monitech, and they have that smart system that do ads rotation, and basically we try to provide each user the most relevant content that we have at that moment of the time. So yes, you can choose the categories in that monetization request tab that I showed you, and also after that, if you feel like you want to filter some content further, you can contact our support team and we will do it for you like really quickly.
I know when Anna and I spoke, we talked about like media publications utilizing push notifications and really trying to monetize them with these media. Like, let's say I'm a game too, or I guess games wouldn't work on the web side of things, but if I'm a motivation app, I'm just pick on that. Do you try to like link up what would be interesting to people who are like looking for a motivation app with something else, like similar categories?
Yeah, sure. Like it all depends on the traffic, or which category traffic is, from which geos. So basically the system, it automatically rotates those advertisers who like provide and advertise their services like gaming and etc. So yes, those users visiting the like website and subscribing to notifications will mostly receive the relevant content which is related to the website category and theme.
Are the ads coming from personal partners that you at Notix has worked with, or is it from a different ad network?
Well, Monitech is our partners platform, and they work with really huge amount of various advertisers through worldwide. So yeah, I would say like through our partners.
And I know with AdMob, you can actually have a like floor eCPM and things like that. Is that something we can control?
Well, basically, I would say something specific about the push notifications monetization, because normally when you collect subscribers database, possibly you send your own content. Those users, they, let's say, never see push notification ads. and for the first time they receive it, they probably don't expect it and they convert more. So basically, the first days for push monetization, the CPM is higher because conversions are higher,
I
and
see.
after that, it stabilizes on like more like average levels. And you can imagine that with push notifications, after a while, the subscribers they separated in different groups because some become older. There's also fresh subscribers that are coming, and it's normal that those subscribers who already have been receiving notifications ads for a while, they don't convert as good as before. So it's very important to keep maintaining fresh traffic so you can get as high as possible rates and keep those conversions on a good level. In general, of course, the traffic quality, geos, and seasonality, it also affects the rates, and we always do our best to optimize it in any scenario.
Are there any best practices around push notifications? You said like people aren't expecting it. I didn't know anything about this category, but do people generally say, "Hey, we've got some push notifications, we got some ads too coming up for you"? Do they do type of any warning, or they just kind of send it off? What do most people do?
Well, basically, before we get this monetization request, of course, our first purpose is being a push service.
Sure.
So publishers, they send their own notifications to users. And then if they decide to work on monetization, they contact us. We talk about the frequency, the ads. We look at how many notifications they send themselves, to not overload the users so they are not annoyed or just like, oh my God, what's going on? Like it's 50 notifications per day. So of course, everything is negotiable, and we do like the best scenario, to compare how to not overload with ads notifications besides the notifications publisher send himself.
I love it.
So it can be 1, 2 ads, maximum 5 we do. So it's optimal.
So you'll help us. You'll help us publishers kind of figure out what to send, how much to send.
Of course, yes, we're all here.
I love it. And lastly, Diana, how do we get paid with this? Is it like, a daily threshold, like, or what's the payout look like?
If we're talking about the payout to your payment methods, so it's also negotiable. It works through Monitech platform as well. Normally, like the standard, once to like twice a month. We can also do it weekly, or if there's like some special cool conditions, we can do it exclusively, I don't know, 2 times a week. So it's like always depends on the situation, the partners we work with, but we're always open to discuss the possibilities and what's comfortable for our partners.
If you guys want to go use a platform that you can manage, segment, and send the push notifications that will bring users back into your app, it is Notix.co. And if you want to start monetizing these push notifications, well, once again, it is the same platform, Notix.co. So go check it out. Notix.co is the website and the platform. Diana, if the audience wants to follow up with you and say thank you for such great knowledge, do you want to send them anywhere else?
Thank you for having me, Steve. And I'm really glad to share my experience and knowledge about Notix push platform for apps and websites. So please visit our website, notix.co. And if you want to contact me, please don't hesitate to find me on LinkedIn and any other sources that you can find on our website.
Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.